Hello friends, how are you? How are you doing? In last video, I covered how you can identify the right customer. So that was the first part of the video, and today I will cover the next part. So in the first video, I asked you to write down the features and benefits of the products what are you offering, and write down the possible challenges which your client is facing when he is not using your product. So what would happen? These two things, when you have wrote down, see, sometimes we do not write down things and we try to keep things into our mind, and generally we skip things. We can't memorize all the things while talking to a customer or while working on a project of lead generation. So when we write down things, we have all the things on a same page and we can recall things smoothly. So that is number one. Now, today we will discuss how to generate leads. So when you write things, it will help you to find the right customer and it will help you to fine tune your sales pitch also. Okay. Today, what you have to do? So you have to understand what are the different ways of lead generation, what I will teach you today. Number one, cold calling. See, this is very old process. Cold calling is the oldest process and it is even working into this modern world. Many people are saying that cold calling is dead, cold calling is not working. All BS. All BS. I am being a sales trainer, I am being your coach, I am guaranteed telling you that cold calling is working. Cold calling is working more than any process. Do cold call, and do cold call. If your profile of work allows, for example, you are into coaching industry, you can't cold call, right? So you have to understand in which industry you are. But if yes, your industry permits you to cold call, do cold call. You can't escape cold calling. Number two, email marketing. Email marketing is very powerful tool. On an average, a person looks 20 times his emails into business or non-business hours. Emails are very powerful, and if you are sending the emails personally, here is the glitch. Personally means if the emails are not just forwarded emails, you have mentioned his name, you have mentioned his company name. If you are personalizing the email while sending, it will be more powerful than the general email. And believe me, the results will multiply by 10 times. So number one, cold calling. Number two, email marketing. So till now what we are doing, we are interrupting the customer. This is called seller initiative process, where you are initiating, customer is sitting in his home, he don't know what is happening, you are interrupting him and you are taking initiative to contact. Now, next part, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very powerful tool. Use LinkedIn, give post, give the value added materials and make connection with persons, make connection with right persons. So in LinkedIn, what happens is when you send a connection to a person, you can view his profile and you can understand what it is interest of area, what it is expertise area, what is a profile, what is experience he is having, and you can fine tune your page. So it is like before cold calling, you can check out his LinkedIn profile also, and you can just DM him on the LinkedIn. It is very powerful tool and it is working. Next, all other social media tools, right? In the third part, we can use LinkedIn, Facebook, and all that stuff. But I prefer LinkedIn because people go on Facebook to enjoy what I believe, and on LinkedIn, people are there for genuine connections and more of business connections. So they understand that if a person is approaching on LinkedIn, it's not just for fun. It's not just for sharing memes. It is for some business relations. Next part, content marketing. Fourth part. So content marketing is sort of different thing. It is not something when you are interrupting the customer. You are creating a content. You are creating a content on the web, over your website, over some different websites where you can post your content on, or you can post content on social media. So this makes what? This makes customer interest in you. This generates interest, and if you are really adding value, he starts taking interest in you. He starts following you, and there are more chances. If now the connection would happen, even if you contact him or he would contact you, there are more chances of closing, because now the customer has moved forward one step. So like now he's more aware about your services, now he's more about your product, and you are adding value, so he has a good image of yours. So what are the different type of contents when I say content marketing? For example, you are selling web hosting. Let's take a digital marketing product. You are selling a web hosting. So what you can do? You can post buying guides. You can post difference between different type of hostings. You can post prices of different hostings. You can do comparisons. You can write articles. You can you can make blogs. You can make videos onto that. So there are like type of content you can make, and you can add value so that customer can connect with you. See, today world is changing, and you have to understand that people go where they are seeing the value. If you can put yourself into the customer's place and see that there are two persons out there, one is just interrupting you only, and other person is adding value and maybe interrupting you, so you are more likely to go to the second person who is adding value to you. So this is another thing what you can do. Okay, in the second part, what I've told you, email marketing. So what you can do over there in email marketing, don't try to sell in every email. So send informations in one email, two email, three emails, then in fourth email you can go for selling. Then again give value, then again you can go for a selling. So this is how you can. So these are some of the processes. I'm not able to connect all the process into a single video. So these are some of the processes, but I'm sure if you can apply these stuffs into your content, into your lead generation process, you definitely have some impact. So use those tricks, use those tips, use those strategies, and let me know how it have helped you. Comment below if you have liked this video. Join my private Facebook group to stay connected. Thank you. Bye bye.